Tired of credit card worries? Let's settle that CIBC bill in a flash, right from your phone. First things first, unlock your smartphone and tap open the CIBC Mobile Banking App. Make sure you're logged in securely with your username and password, or your fingerprint if you've set that up. Once you're in, look for the main menu or the quick links section. We're aiming to find the Pay Bills or Transfers option. It's usually a prominent button, so take a moment to locate it. Tap on Pay Bills. You might see an option to pay a credit card directly, or you might need to select Pay a Biller first if you're paying a CIBC credit card. There's often a shortcut. On the next screen, choose your CIBC credit card from the list of your registered payees. If you haven't added it before, you'll need to follow the prompts to add a new biller, usually by searching for CIBC or its banking identifier. Now, it's time to enter the payment details. You'll see a field for the payment amount. You can choose to pay the minimum payment, the statement balance, or a custom amount. Then, select the CIBC account you want to use to make the payment. You can also select the date you want the payment to occur. You can choose to pay it today, or schedule it for a future date. Double-check all the details you've entered. Before you hit confirm, take a good look at the summary screen. It will show you the payee, the amount, the payment date, and the account the funds are coming from. This is your final chance to catch any mistakes. Once you're absolutely sure everything is correct, tap Confirm Payment. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know your payment is processed. Congratulations, you've just effortlessly paid your CIBC credit card bill. For secure and convenient bill payments, the CIBC Mobile Banking App is your go-to solution. Stay on top of your finances, one tap at a time.